What are you doing right now, Kyle?
No.
No. Tinder.
All right, Ty. What are we doing today?
Which one is she?
What are we doing, Ty? Well, today we're gonna be installing some hood vent louvers on the E46 here. Right now, we're about to do some prep work because I'm gonna be painting them flat black. So get the nice pattern in. That boy's nice and scuffed up where the paint can stick to it. And as of right now, this is how it comes, and you bend them out to your desired bending.
Imagine sucking your dick and getting
Don't mind them. They're just on Tinder right now. So basically, I'm just scuffing this up so the paint will stick to it better because it's just bare aluminum and it had a coating on it. So I'm scratching off that coating to get to the bare aluminum. Just check this out. How is it looking?
Yo, but no. Instead,
That's
go
pretty
back.
scuffed
No, go back again.
Yeah, that sounds good.
No, yeah.
I'm gonna get these all
Instead
done,
of
and
having
then I'll come back
her
to you for the
dick,
next step.
You could fit your dick up her nose.
What? Hey, eyes up here. Eyes up here.
Whoa.
Hey, yo.
Which
Eyes
one?
up here, Ty.
Nah.
But dude.
It doesn't matter.
Dude, but it's
Ty, get
nice.
your eyes up here at the prize. So right now, basically what I'm doing is I'm doing some masking because I don't want to scratch the paint around where I'm going. So I'm putting down some nice pieces of tape. It also helps with cutting because when you cut, it could pull, oopsies, it could pull some metal shavings onto the paint and scratch the paint, and it also helps keep the cuts clean. And I don't want to draw on bare.
Hey, quick question. Remember those bushings you're supposed to do?
We don't want to worry about those. Those are temporary. Those are next. This was just a cheap little look nice thing. So now that I got it all masked up, I'm going to be painting the vents now.
Yeah.
How's the brightness? Am I overexposed?
You seem okay.
Okay, that's fine. I'll turn it down. It's too bright. Alright, start.
It's been going.
Oh shit. So now we're gonna be painting. It's my little contraption, a little bit of fishing string holding it up off the ground, out of the way. And it helps me just be able to spin it around and it keeps it nice and neat. So here we go. Nice thin coat for the first go.
Oh, wait.
No, there are 2 holes in his hood.
True. Good weight reduction. Let's spin back around. Nah, this is a fucking solid coat, dude. This is not even bad at all. Then once I bend them, I'm gonna go over them again. So the first coat will be before I bend them. It's a pretty good coat, not gonna lie.
Yeah, I would say we let this dry and we come back.
Hell yeah. Then right now I'm gonna go straight to doing the templates.
So here we got the master mechanic.
Right now we are cutting the template out. Getting it nice and neat. Perfectly in spec. Gotta make sure we get these lines nice and good. Beautiful. Beautiful noises coming out of this paper, very ASMR-ic. You think
You're gonna have to edit this out. Aunt, you're gay faggot.
I'm leaving that in.
I don't think you actually can.
I mean, I can mute the swears, but I might leave that in. Because I am the editor, so. So we got this one cut out perfectly nice and neat. So now we go to the car. We put that there for now, because I gotta go in just here. Who the fuck is that guy? We go into here. measurements and basic how it's gonna look. Even though that's an E46 hood, but that's just a diagram. But total estimated installation time is 3 hours. Yeah, sure. All right, so next page. Place the templates on the hood and align them as followed. Okay. Yep, that looks about right. So you want to leave a 5mm gap from this inner line. So this right here. So I'm just gonna kind of mock it up. And then you could do it between 300 and 400mm from the front corner of vent frame to the front edge of the hood. So that's this. And then be mindful of like aftermarket air systems and stuff like that, because you don't want it when it rains to just pour on your air filter, which is gonna happen because my air filter's right there. And no matter where I put it, it's going to be in the way. But now, need a tape measure. Boys and girls, this is where we get to where...
I couldn't even see it. You didn't raise it up high enough.
This is where we get to no turning back territory. In 3, 2, 1. That's dangerous. No turning back, boys. No, we don't have to pop the hood. No turning back. So I want to get this cutting, and I'll come back when it's done. Alright guys, quick progress report. We got the first hole cut. I gotta do some trimming. That's what these are for. Because you gotta add like the little tabs as you go down. It's just make it look nice. I'm probably not gonna do it because you're only gonna be able to see that from the inside. But the next part I have to do is go with the hood open after I cut that side off. Go on the inside, cut this piece of structural out for the hood. This is how it's gonna be. Those are gonna replace the structural bits. As you can see, my hood's pretty fucking, has a hole in it. It's pretty nice, but as of right now, it's looking pretty fucking good. Now I gotta just cut that side.
What are you gonna do if you fuck up?
Gonna have to buy a new hood. Carbon fiber. Leaving it on?
In the beginning, yeah.
That's why. Because that was freshly charged. I'm over here at 90 something. This is only 3mm.
It's a little bigger than that.
I don't think so. I'm about to just grab the 3.5mm.
I do like it.
Bend them.
It's easy. The rear.
They shouldn't. No.
Beautiful. Wish I could drill a girl like that. Beautiful.
All right, now remove the.
Fuck, man.
You can put it down there. Not all the way, just like.
Keep it taped. Paint it, or you gotta tape it again?
What do you mean painted?
So you want to paint the sides here?
I'm gonna brush it on.
Oh, I see.
I could realistically use Ty's fucking spot paint.
Yeah, well. I said yeah, well.
Oh, okay. So all these purple end up getting covered.
Yeah, the rivet's gonna go into there, so it really doesn't matter how big the hole is underneath.
Yeah. That one's not open. Alright, so now I'm gonna clean this piece
Oh,
off.
you really gotta do some cleaning.
Yeah, I'm gonna clean this one off, then I can take that one and put it on this one. But other than that, dude. Last minute repairs because we use this one as a template for the exhibits. Actually, no, I'm not gonna paint this one yet because I still gotta trim the other side. First rivet blades.
Towel or something? That one's not gonna go in.
More touch-up has to be done. Just like that. And now, bend these in. Alright, so that's one end. Actually, looks pretty cool. Fucking killing it, dude.
I'm gonna do this.
Here, back up, I'll try again. That looks pretty fucking sick. I can just paint that black.
No, I would turn it into better.
Yeah. Except for that one, I'll have to bend off a little bit.
Kyle, what you doing?
Cock. Oh.
Amazon pass.
Don't you want to put a paper underneath? He lifts up the hood. There's just black streaks across.
It's gonna be a little bit black.
It'll probably wash off if you get it.
Alright guys, clean install. Everything's on, riveted. Looks aggressive from the front. The next thing after this for aero on the front end would have to be probably the wheel arch louvers.
You're gonna do those too?
Yeah, those are pretty sick.
Bro, you need your bushings and your wheels.
I
dude.
know. I said that's why. Okay, yeah, that. But
Makes sense.
yeah, it looks pretty f***ing nice. I'm actually very happy with the install. It took us like 4.5 hours, but right on from what the specs of the. Oh, he's sitting down. Right on from what the paper said, like 4 to 5 hours. So it looks nice. I gotta clean the car now because I got metal everywhere, but it looks pretty f***ing nice. If you guys enjoyed this install video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let us know in the
Yo,
comments
this
below.
wasn't an install video.
Basically, kind
I
of.
mean, it was, but it's not a tutorial. Yeah, so, like, subscribe, and follow us on OnlyFans.
Hell yeah, brother. Peace.